The Labour Party Northeast Zone has organized a harmonization tour in Adamawa State with the support of groups and party structure amidst massive support of the party faithfuls. The harmonization tour, which was orchestrated by the purpose of reiterating the manifestation of the party, was aided under the sportsmanship of the party stalwarts. Prince Kennedy Chigozie, Deputy National Secretary South of the party, said they were in Adamawa State to sensitize people of the state on the importance of their support and engagement in Labour Party.
We are here, like my National Vice Chairman of NorthEast have said, to sensitize you on few things so that all of us as one family will be on the same page. My name is Prince Kennedy Chigozie. I bring you greetings from the Secretariat, the Deputy National Secretary South of the party, and part and parcel of this NorthEast delegation. And I can assure you that I've been enjoying myself, starting from Kobe to Taraba. In fact, it was the memory I had in Taraba that made me mention Taraba when I was thinking, so I'm forgetting that I've been at Adamawa. And I know that Adamawa will surpass that experience. Of course, with the smiles I'm seeing, Adamawa is already living. So, we are here today to sensitize you about this party.
Prince Chigozie said the Labour Party has the manifestation to lead the country and change the narration of bad governance in its entirety. Also speaking, Zubairu Muhammad, who is the Vice Chairman, Coalition of Peter Obi, which is an umbrella body where all the support groups are, maintained that their umbrella is a shelter that houses the harmony between people that have the inclination to move the party forward.
Coalition for Peter Obi is the umbrella body where all the support group is. The essence of our visit and this meeting is to harmonize the support group with the Labour Party. I want to paint a picture so that you understand the seriousness of our meeting, of the harmonization. I am a product of a man and woman. Without my mother, my father cannot give birth to me. Without my father, my mother couldn't have given birth to me. I know that you love Mr. Peter Obi, all the support.
On the side of their party presidential bearer, Zubairu said Peter Obi has the capacity to deliver. In his address, the governorship candidate of Labour Party in Adamawa State, Alhaji Umar Mustapha Otumba of Ikiti, said it is high time youth take mantle of leadership of the country, hence the need for people to give their unrivaled support to Peter Obi. According to him, Barrister Peter Obi is the person of integrity, vision and mission.
But that notwithstanding, in our own situation, take a look at Dr. Obi. Look at his antecedent. He was the governor for 8 years. He has rose to become the only governor in the history of Nigeria that left over 70 billion naira. He also rose to be the only governor who left over $150 million in the coffers of Embarks. He has also rose to become the only governor who said, no, I don't want any of your money. Don't give me any. I mean, we have seen some of them say, some of them will when they leave, they say, when you meet them and say they are broke, they say, no, I've not been giving my emolument, this discharge and emolument. Some of them 500 million. Who said, I don't want this. Ladies and gentlemen, history is about to remain in this country.
On the side of his candidacy, Otumba added that he has a strategic structure to take Adamawa out of its quagmire by making sure that if elected, Adamawa State will be one of the best leading states among the committee of the Nigerian states. He therefore solicited the support of all and sundry to succeed in the election. Earlier in his address of welcome, the Labour Party chairman in the state, Christopher Nicholas, expressed delight with the support receiving from the party's national leadership. Nicholas also urged people of Adamawa State to vote for the party. The Labour Party Northeast Zone, with the support of other groups, organized a tour in order to cooperate and harmonize all the support groups for easy identification and sincerity of purpose. Abubakar Ibrahim, Wanil 2 Media.